Hello Facebook users. If you need to update your date of birth, whether it's an adjustment or just a change, we've researched and come up with the most optimal way for you to share a meaningful birthday together. Friends, relatives, or maybe just to help you remember a wonderful day. Let's go through the steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Facebook application. Step 2. Tap and select Settings Privacy. Click Settings. Step 3. Tap See More in Account Center. Step 4. Tap Personal Details and select Birthday. Step 5. Tap Edit and enter your new date of birth. Step 6. Click Save. After successfully saving, you have made changes and adjustments to be able to publicize a meaningful birthday to relatives and friends. We hope that you will receive the most meaningful wishes on this wonderful day, and remember, birthdays can only be changed every few days. We, AnHome Tech, wish you a happy, healthy and meaningful birthday. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos on the channel.